words that could ever quantify how much I love you and the infinite ways in which you complete me. I'm truly grateful for every second we've shared leading up to this moment, and for every second we'll share as husband and wife.
James, I have never been more certain or had a clearer thought than this. We were meant to be together. You make me happier than I ever could have imagined or even hoped for.
Oh,
It looks so good. Oh.
Beautiful. Wow.
Oh, I love it. You look amazing.
Oh, look at you, ready to go.
Aw, of course I'm ready to
Oh,
go.
so lucky.
Oh, I'm the lucky one. Against all the odds.
That we're here doing this.
This adventure together.
I'll never forget it.
I know.
Laura, James, here we are at your wedding.
As we stand here surrounded by beauty and nature, I know that this moment is perfect because it is us. I'm so thankful to be able to hold your hand, look into your eyes, and promise to love you forever.
I, James, stand here before you, Laura, with the honour of taking you not only as my wife, but as my best friend and lifelong partner in marriage.
The whole world is laid out before you. There are so many mountains left for you to climb, but take the time to celebrate each one. Celebrate each milestone, big or small.
Now our paths have come together and it feels like there is no other way it should have been. It feels right and my life is so much more meaningful with you in it.
With you by my side, I know we can accomplish anything, and we'll continue to face and overcome any challenges the same way that we always have, together.
Feel the touch of each other's hands. Listen to the river. Most importantly, can you feel your heart beating inside your chest? Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.